guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Maram. Guys, I'm really tired. I'm so tired. I don't know what you call tiredness, but this one is over tiredness. But I thank God. I went for a trade fair in the Gambia and I really enjoyed it. Home is home. Despite the fact you enjoy wherever you are, home is still home. And I'm just saying thank you so much to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala for giving me the zeal, the strength and the health to participate in the trade fair for the first time. I can't say much anyway, but I just want to say that the trade fair was a successful one. I got to my expectation and I was really amazed that when I went for the first time and that happened. So who am I to say that I will try again? I will definitely go back to Gambia. And this message is to tell you guys that I am fully into business and I just need your support. I just need your prayers. I need your help. I need your assistance. And I also need your present, you know. Sometimes somebody will say that family members, friends, they might never support your business. But believe in yourself, because believing in yourself, it will always come to a pass. Like I said to people, and I said to myself, I believe in what I'm doing, and then no matter what concept somebody have about what I'm doing, I will still do who I am, and I will still do me. So don't just say that I'm waiting for my family members, my friends to support me in business. They will never. It's just few of them who will just believe in you. They don't know what they have until when they see you up there and they will be saying, oh, that's my cousin, that's my uncle, that's my friend, oh, that's my childhood friend, that's my classmate. Come off it. When they needed you, you weren't there. So this message is just to say thank you so much to all the supporters, all the Mayans who are in the Gambia, in Senegal, and in Nigeria. Like I always say to people that I am versatile and I'm open for anything. So my YouTube channel, I know I've been away for long. I know that I'm even but like I always tell you people that I am back like I never left. That YouTube channel will never die because I'm gonna make it alive. I know that sometimes I don't have time to come there because I have so many things I am doing at a go. But God, please, I'm begging you. I'm asking for assistance. I'm asking you to just tap my heart and say, Maram, you must do this YouTube every day. You must drop a video, even if it's 3 times a week, and God will answer that. I know you love me. You have been doing it for me and you will continue doing it for me. So thank you so much, guys. This is a welcome video to say that I am back like I never left. And subscribe to this channel so that you will not miss any of my updates, because this year is a new Maram. This year is a new vision, new style, new lifestyle, and then new Maians stories. So stay for it.